Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we break down the hottest trends in the stock market. If you enjoy insightful analysis and want to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me and helps me bring you even more valuable content. Today we're diving deep into two explosive stocks, WLDS Wearable Devices Ltd. and Wolfspeed. We'll analyze their recent performance, technical indicators, and what might be next. Ready to explore these stocks from every angle? Let's get started. This video, our main focus will be on two stocks that have shown remarkable volatility in trading activity, WLDS and Wolf. We'll break down their price action, volume patterns, technical indicators, and possible scenarios for the next trading sessions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this analysis will help you understand the dynamics behind these dramatic moves. So grab your notepad and let's jump into the details of WLDS and Wolf, examining what's driving their explosive trends and what you should watch for next. Let's start with WLDS Wearable Devices Ltd. Over the past few months, WLDS has experienced extreme volatility. The stock started around 1.54 in mid-June and skyrocketed to 9.42 by September 12, marking an incredible 512% increase. However, this wasn't a smooth ride. Most of July and August saw relatively stable trading between 1.5 and 1.7, but early September brought a dramatic spike, with prices reaching as high as 11.4. This explosive bullish trend, especially in the last few trading days, has caught the attention of traders everywhere. When we look at WLDS's price and volume, the story gets even more interesting. Volume spiked dramatically during key price movements. For example, on September 9, 24 million shares traded hands. On September 10, a staggering 290 million shares were traded as the price jumped from 1.06 to 5.18. The following days saw similarly high volumes, all coinciding with significant price increases. Before September, daily volumes were much lower, typically between 30,000 and 800,000 shares. This sudden surge in trading activity signals intense investor interest and momentum. Now let's talk about moving averages for WLDS. The stock is currently trading above all its key moving averages. The 5-day SMA is at 4.95, 5-day EMA at 6.02, 10-day SMA at 3.02, and 10-day EMA at 4.14. Even the 20-day and 50-day averages are well below the current price. This alignment, where shorter-term averages are above longer-term ones, indicates a strong positive trend. The EMAs being above the SMAs for the same periods also suggests that recent price momentum is very strong, reinforcing the bullish outlook. Technical indicators further support the bullish case for WLDS. The VWP, or volume-weighted average price, is at 6.16, which is below the current price of 9.42. This means that most traders paid less than the current price, a bullish signal. The alignment of moving averages with the price trading well above all of them suggests strong technical health. However, the extreme nature of the recent move does raise questions about how sustainable this rally is. Caution is warranted, as such explosive moves can reverse quickly. Looking at linear regression, WLDS shows a positive slope over the analyzed period, with an extremely steep angle in recent days. The stock has consistently traded above this trend line, and the recent surge has created a significant deviation above the long-term trend. This suggests there's potential for either a continuation of the uptrend or a sharp correction. Traders should be aware that such parabolic moves often lead to increased risk and the possibility of sudden reversal. WLDS closed at 9.42 on September 12, with extremely high volume and strong upward momentum. It's likely to open higher on the next trading day. Considering the recent price range and momentum, a possible opening could be around 9.5 to 10. The strong close near the day's high suggests that bullish sentiment is likely to carry over into the next session, but traders should keep an eye on pre-market activity for any early signs of reversal. Immediate resistance for WLDS is at the recent high of 11.4. If this level is broken, the next psychological resistance could be around 12. On the support side, the 5-day EMA at 6.02 provides immediate support, with additional support at the 7 psychological level and the 5-day SMA at 4.95. The stock is currently trading below its recent high but well above its moving averages, suggesting a potential consolidation or continuation phase. Intraday movements may involve testing resistance, with possible pullbacks to support if resistance holds. Though the ATR14 value isn't directly provided, recent volatility suggests the average daily range is extremely high, around 2 to 4. This means the next trading session could see a high of 11.5 to 13 and a low of 7 to 8.5. Such wide ranges reflect the stock's volatile nature and provide opportunities for both breakout and reversal strategies. Traders should be prepared for rapid price swings and adjust their risk management accordingly. A bullish scenario, WLDS would break above the 11.4 resistance, leading to a continued uptrend that could reach 12 or even higher in the coming days. This would likely be accompanied by another surge in volume and strong momentum. However, traders should watch for signs of exhaustion or reversal, as parabolic moves can quickly lose steam. If momentum continues, the stock could attract even more speculative interest. Neutral scenario would see WLDS consolidating between 7 and 11 as the market digests the recent dramatic gains. This phase could involve sideways trading, with the stock oscillating between support and resistance levels. Such consolidation often precedes the next big move, so traders should monitor volume and price action closely for clues about the next direction. A bearish scenario, WLDS fails to break resistance and experiences a sharp pullback to the 5700 support level. Given the extreme recent gains, profit-taking could trigger a rapid decline. Traders should be cautious, as high volatility can lead to significant losses if risk isn't managed properly. Watching for reversal signals and setting stop losses is crucial in such an environment. Sum up WLDS, the stock has shown an extremely volatile and explosively bullish trend in recent days. It's trading above all key moving averages, indicating very strong short-term momentum. However, the technical picture also suggests the potential for sharp reversals. Both bullish and bearish scenarios have substantial potential, so risk management is absolutely crucial. Always be prepared for sudden changes in direction, especially after such dramatic move. Now that we've covered WLDS in detail, let's shift our focus to Wolfspeed. This stock has also experienced significant volatility and offers a different technical picture. We'll break down its recent price action, volume patterns, and what traders should watch for in the coming sessions. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Wolfspeed has also seen its share of extreme volatility. Starting around 1.29 in mid-June, the stock climbed to 2.33 by September 12, an 81% increase. The journey included dramatic spikes, such as reaching 3.33 in early July, followed by sharp corrections. The overall trend can be described as volatile bullish, with explosive upward movements often followed by significant pullbacks. This pattern points to high speculative interest and frequent trading opportunities. Wolf's price and volume patterns reveal intense trading activity during key turning points. For example, on June 18, 80 million shares traded as the price dropped to 0.87. On July 1, 516 million shares were traded as the price jumped to 0.79. Other notable spikes include July 7, July 8, September 9, and September 12, each coinciding with significant price movement. These extraordinary volume days highlight the speculative nature of Wolf and the potential for rapid price swings. Currently, Wolf is trading above its shorter-term moving averages but well below its 200-day averages. The 5-day SMA is at 1.75, 5-day EMA at 1.84, 10-day SMA at 1.51, and 10-day EMA at 1.63. The 50-day averages are around 1.51154, while the 200-day averages are much higher at 3.95. This setup indicates a short-term bullish trend within a longer-term bearish context. The EMAs being above the SMAs for the same period suggest recent price momentum is strong, but the longer-term trend remains a concern. VWAP for Wolf is at 2.93, which is above the current price of 2.33. This means most traders paid more than the current price, a bearish signal in the context of the overall price history. While the stock is above its shorter-term moving averages, it remains below the longer-term ones, suggesting a potential short-term bounce within a longer-term downtrend. Traders should be cautious and watch for signs of a reversal or continuation. Linear regression trend for Wolf shows a relatively flat or slightly positive slope over the analyzed period. This reflects the extreme volatility without a clear sustained direction. The stock has shown a tendency to make extreme moves in both directions, with the linear regression line potentially serving as a mean reversion point during periods of consolidation. This makes Wolf a stock to watch for both breakout and mean reversion strategies. Given that Wolf closed at 2.33 on September 12 with strong upward momentum, it's likely to open higher on the next trading day. Based on the recent range in momentum, a possible opening could be around 2.4 to 2.5. The strong close near the day's high suggests continued bullish sentiment, but as always, traders should monitor pre-market activity for any early changes in direction. Immediate resistance for Wolf is at the recent high of 2.35. If this level is broken, the next significant resistances are at the 2.5 psychological level and the July high of 3.33. On the support side, the 5-day EMA at 1.84 provides immediate support, with additional support at the 10-day EMA at 1.63 and the 1.5 psychological level. The stock is currently trading near its resistance level, suggesting a potential breakout or consolidation phase. While the ATR14 value isn't directly provided, recent volatility suggests the average daily range is very high, around 0.3 to 0.5. This means the next trading session could see a high of 2.6 to 2.8 and a low of 1.9 to 2.1. Such wide ranges reflect the stock's volatile nature and provide opportunities for both breakout and reversal strategies. As always, risk management is key. In a bullish scenario, Wolf would break above the 2.35 resistance, leading to a continued uptrend that could reach the 2.5 to 3 range in the coming days. This would likely be accompanied by increased volume and strong momentum. However, traders should be cautious of potential resistance at higher levels and watch for signs of exhaustion. A neutral scenario would see Wolf consolidating between 1.8 and 2.4 as the market digests the recent gains. This phase could involve sideways trading, with the stock moving between support and resistance levels. Such consolidation often sets the stage for the next big move, so keep an eye on volume and price action for clues. In a bearish scenario, Wolf fails to break resistance and pulls back to the 1.5180 support level. Given the stock's history of sharp corrections after rallies, traders should be prepared for quick reversals. Setting stop losses and monitoring for reversal signals is essential to protect your capital in such a volatile environment. Sum up Wolf, the stock has shown extreme volatility with dramatic price swings over the analyzed period. While the recent trend is upward, the stock remains well below its 200-day moving averages, indicating a longer-term bearish context. Both bullish and bearish scenarios are possible, so traders should exercise caution and implement proper risk management strategies. Both WLDS and Wolf have experienced explosive moves and high volatility, but their technical pictures are different. WLDS is in a strong short-term uptrend, trading above all key moving averages, while Wolf is showing a short-term bounce within a longer-term downtrend. Understanding these differences is crucial for developing effective trading strategies and managing risk. Trading highly volatile stocks like WLDS and Wolf requires strict risk management. Always use stop-loss orders, size your positions appropriately, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Volatility can create big opportunities, but it also increases the risk of significant losses. Stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Thanks for watching this deep dive into WLDS and Wolf. Both stocks offer exciting opportunities but come with significant risks. Remember, the key to successful trading is not just spotting opportunities, but also managing your risk and staying informed. If you found this analysis helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps me create more valuable content for you. Until next time, happy trading and stay safe in the markets.